Love is not about finding someone to live with, it's about finding someone you cannot live without. When I meet you, my heart whispered, so it was you all along. The best kind of love awakens the soul, makes us reach for more, and reminds us why we are alive. Your love is not just my happiness, it's my peace, my home, and my forever. Every time I see you smile, my world feels brand new again. Love does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be honest, real, and shared by two souls who never give up. You are the dream I never knew I had, and the reality I never want to lose. In your arms, I have found the meaning of everything I was ever searching for. Some hearts are meant to meet no matter the distance, no matter the time. When love is true, it becomes a prayer that never ends. I did not fall in love with your face. I fell in love with your soul, your laughter, your light. You and I, two hearts, one rhythm, one destiny. Love is when silence between two people feels like music. You are the reason my nights are peaceful and my morning bright. Every heartbeat of mine whispers your name like a secret melody. True love is not about being inseparable, it's about being connected even when apart. The day you entered my life, everything ordinary turned into poetry. When I say I love you, I mean it in every language my heart knows. Some souls just understand each other even in silence, even in distance. You don't complete me, you make me realize I was already whole when love found me. Loving you feels like breathing. I don't even notice it, but it keeps me alive. You are my today, my tomorrow, and every heartbeat in between. Love is not about how long you have been together, but how deeply you choose each other every day. Every love story is special, but ours feels like magic written in the stars. I don't want promises, I just want moments that prove love is real. The most beautiful thing about love is that it makes you fearless. Your eyes tell stories my heart already knows. Love is not found, it's created, nurtured, and protected by two brave hearts. You make ordinary days feel like celebration of forever. When you touch my hand, the world disappears and only love remains. Some people search their whole lives for what I found in you. You are my claim in chaos, my light in darkness, my reason to believe. Every love has a heartbeat, mine beats only for you. I did choose you in every lifetime, under every sky, and in every story. Love begins when two hearts start to speak a language only they understand. You are not just part of my story, you are my favorite chapter. When you love someone truly, time does not measure it, the heart does. I love you not for who you are, but for how I feel when I am with you. You came quietly into my heart and filled it louder than any sound. In your eyes, I found a home my soul had been wandering toward forever. The best love stories are written by hearts, not by hands. Every time I think of love, I see your face smiling back at me. True love does not ask for anything, it simply gives endlessly. When love is real, distance means nothing, and time only proves its strength. You are my reason to believe that forever is not just a word, it's a feeling. Love is not about possession. Love is not about positions, it's about appreciation. I did not just fall for you, I fell into the kind of peace only your love could give. You are not my weakness, you are the power behind my every heartbeat. Real love makes you grow without losing yourself. Every kiss from you feels like a promise I never want to end. I don't know what the future holds, but I know I want to face it holding your hand. You are not a chapter, you are the whole book I never want to close. Love does not make sense, and maybe that's why it's so beautiful. My love for you does not fade with time. It depends like roots of an ancient tree. You are the calm after every storm, the reason I smile without knowing why. Love is when two hearts choose to stay even when it's easier to walk away. You are not my world, you are the reason my world exists. Loving you taught me that home is not a place, it's a heartbeat. Every sunrise reminds me that I get to love you for another day. If love had a face, it would look like you, pure, kind, and eternal. Please like and share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.